Hello kids, welcome to our online class. I am your Nisha ma'am. In previous video, you have learned how to write IJKL. But today, I am going to teach you how to write M and O and P. See children, this is your art of writing book. Now, take out page number 48. M. M is for mirror. M is for mirror. Color it. And here I will teach you how to write M. See, this is a 4 line. Start from third line. Keep your pencil on third line. Start from here. Make a slant line. Come down. Again go up. Make a curve. Come down. Again make a curve. And do like this. This is M. See again. Start from third line. Make a slant line. Come down. Again make a curve. Go up. Make a curve. And do like this. This is M. And like this, trace it here also. Start from third line and trace it nicely. After that, what comes after M? N. N is for nut. This is a nut. Children, color it nicely. Next page. See how to write N. Start from third line. Make it slanting line. Come down. Again go up and make a curve and come down and do like this. Start from third line, make a slanting line, come down, go up, make a curve and do like this. This is N. N is for nut. N is for nut. Start from third line, come down, go up, make a curve and do like this. N. Trace it here also. Start from third line and trace it nicely. Start from third line. Don't write from here, write it from third line. Trace. Trace it nicely. This is N. Next, O. O is for ox. Ox means bell. Color the picture. Children, color it nicely. And how to write, I will teach you here. Start from dot. Make a slant line, make it circle and make knot and touch the second line. Make slant line, then circle and make a knot and touch the second line. Again make it circle, then make it knot, after touch the second line. Now start from third line, make a slanting line, then circle, make a knot and touch the second line. Do like this here also. Trace it nicely. Trace it on the dot. O is for ox. Now next P is for pigeon. Color the picture. Children, color the picture nicely. Now next I will teach you how to write P. Keep your pencil on dot. Make a slant line. Go to the top line. After that, go to the bottom line. Come in the middle and make it like N. See again. Start from third line. Go to touch the top line. After that, go to the bottom line. Come in the middle and do like N. See again. Start from third line. Touch the top line. Go to the bottom line. Come in middle and make it curve and do like N. Okay. Trace it here also. Come in middle and trace nicely. Okay. Now children, you have learned how to write M, N, O and P. Now it's time for your homework. Complete page number 48 to 55 in your Art of Writing book. Thank you.